Alright, in this video I'm going to be going over spiral vase. So let's go into the preview here. Okay, so it looks all nice and normal. If we go into print settings, click spiral vase, it's going to go one perimeter, no solid top layer, 0% fill density, no support material. Detect thin walls disabled. Shall I adjust the settings? Hit yes. Go back to preview. And now as you can see, excuse me, as you can see, the print is all sorts of messed up. And if we actually go down, we'll see that there is no there's no perimeters. It's just an empty shell. It's like an egg. So this is what spiral vase does. Creates a continuous single outline container, gradually increasing the Z height. When printing anything with a single perimeter wall, there's always a small flaw where the printer advances to the next layer. This spot where the printer stops and finishes the perimeter raises the Z height by a layer and starts a new perimeter, creates an unsightly scar running up the side of the model. This scar is also a weak point of the joint. The spiral vase does not have any such point where layer changes except at the first bottom solid layers. Instead, the height is increasing gradually all the time, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. So basically, as far as I can see, as far as I can understand, what the Z vase, what the spiral vase, what this does, what spiral vase does is basically tells the 3D printer to print the model in a continuous way that doesn't stop, and it's just spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning until it finishes the model as best as it can. And it doesn't add any infill, it doesn't have any support material, it just doesn't stop printing. It just prints it attempts to print the model in one continuous ongoing loop. So that is what spiral vase is, as far as I can understand. When the spiral mode is activated, PRUSA slicer automatically sets related settings accordingly. One perimeter, zero infill. Disable top layers, disable supports, disabled ensure vertical shell thickness. Keep in mind that simply changing these settings and not enabling the vase mode is not the same as true vase mode, as the object won't be printed continuously. So that's the key to understand about spiral vase, is that it prints it continuously, right? The 3D printer never stops shooting out. It never halts and moves to another place. It just continually spits out filament and moves and continually moves. You can still adjust the number of solid bottom layers. Furthermore, you can adjust the external perimeter's extrusion width in the advanced menu to get yada yada yada. This model should be defined as a solid, otherwise the PRUSA slicer will try and fail to create both the inside and outside surfaces of the model. So model the outside dimensions only. Only one object. Only one object at a time can be printed in vase mode. If you have multiple objects on the print bed, it would be impossible to print them continuously. You can get around this limitation by enabling sequential printing. Otherwise, try and fill. Furthermore, you can adjust external parameters. This menu. Okay. All right, and that is what spiral vase is.